An asteroid is going to get dangerously close to Earth today, February 9th. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know here for you on IO. Welcome back to Inform Overload, where we overload you with information. I'm Charlotte, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos that will scare the crap out of you. Just kidding, kind of. We cover trending news, but occasionally there are asteroid scares. Like this recently discovered asteroid that's being called 2018 CB. There's actually been a lot of big asteroids passing by Earth recently. On Super Bowl Sunday, an asteroid passed by at a distance of 2.6 million miles. This past Tuesday, another asteroid passed by us at a distance of 114,000 miles. But another asteroid was spotted by the Catalina Sky Survey in Tucson, Arizona. It's called 2018 CB, and it's going to get very dangerously close to our planet at a distance of 39,000 miles today, February 9th. For some perspective, 39,000 miles is 1/5 of the distance between the Earth and the Moon. So that's pretty close. It's pretty darn close. The satellites that orbit the Earth do so at a distance just a little bit closer than that. This is a little concerning. The asteroid is between 50 and 130 feet across, and it weighs 200,000 tons. Back in 2013, an asteroid that was even smaller than 2018 CB ended up entering the atmosphere over Russia, and it exploded in the atmosphere and caused a shock wave that blew out windows on the ground. 1,000 people were injured from this incident. Does the asteroid that's going to pass by Earth today pose a threat? Nah. That being said, it's still classified as a hazardous near-Earth object. But it is going to get so close that you will be able to see it with a telescope. It's going to make its closest approach at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 2:30 p.m. Pacific, which is… wait a second. That's like… really soon. That is all for this video. If you enjoyed it, there's another one right over here. NASA has made a huge announcement about TRAPPIST-1, the solar system with 7 Earth-sized planets that may harbor alien life. Click it to find out more info. As always, make sure you click the bell so you never miss a video.